Okay, for question 15, we need to use our knowledge of indices and powers and roots to work through these questions. We need to circle the correct answer for each of the following statements. So the first one is, the root of 7 raised to the power of 4 is equal to which one of these answers? So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite the question again, but instead of using the root of 7, I'm going to write that as 7 to the power of a half, because that's what the square root is in indice form. If I have it like this, then I now need to use my knowledge of indices, where I multiply the powers together. So I'd have 7 to the power of 4 over 2. That would cancel down. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 7 squared, and we know 7 sevens give us 49. For the second part of this question, 12 to the power of 0 is equal to which one of those numbers? Well, that's just a factor. 12 to the power of any number to the power of 0 is going to give us an answer of 1. On the third part of this question, we have the square root of 3 squared times 5 squared. So what I'm going to do is actually work out what 3 squared is times 5 squared. So 3 3's give me 9, 5 5's are 25. So I'm actually looking for the square root of 225, and the square root of 225 would be 15. For these last two questions here, I've got 3 to the power of minus 4. So when I'm dealing with negative indices, I just need to rewrite it again, but I write it as a denominator under 1, and I change the sign to a positive. So I'm actually looking for 1 over 3 to the power of 4. So I just need to now work out what 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 would give me, which would work out to be 81. And then in the final part of the question, I need to write 4 times 2 to the power of 28 can be written as 2 to the power of n. What is the value of n? So I can rewrite 4 as a power of 2. So 4 is actually equal to 2 squared. So I've actually got 2 squared times 2 to the power of 28. Using my rules of indices, I've now got two numbers which are the same and they're being multiplied, so I can just add the powers. So that would be 2 to the power of 30. Therefore, n would equal 30.